When this long night will fade away and we go back to our old ways, two perfect strangers in disguise. When the sun is going to stretch its arms on the road, turn us again with his shrill call into perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget that crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night, plucking this fruit that's finally ripe for having a last bite. This time we'll start again. He's crazy, right? An ideal place for us to hide. Two perfect strangers in disguise. Back to the sharp grin of everyday life, wearing our almost cold as hearts. Two perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget our crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night, blocking this fruit that's finally ripe for taking that last bite. I know sooner or later it will come, the day that I know I'm in love. Will it feel warm and dry like a kiss in July? Will it chill down my bones? Will it cool like the snow? And I look at my window to see what the universe has in store for me. People passing by in the street will be smiling at me, 'cause we already know what it's like being in love. The sky starts to roll up its clouds, so the sun can't just stop hiding out. The windows will open and sing like birds that are spreading their wings. So every night I stare at the moon just to check if she's still looking blue. Don't know who you are yet, you seem a bit hard to get, but I know you're out there. I just wait for the day when the sky will spread open its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding out. The windows will open and sing like birds that are spreading their wings. And I spot you right across the street, like a song that is playing just for me. And knowing we'll smile as if we knew spread open its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding out. The windows will open outside, like birds that are spread. Girl, you look tired. Take off your shoes now. Come out to bed. We'll chase your pleasure. Jump up on board. Taking a ride to Mars. Let's take a spaceship out in the sky. Fly to the moon and take out those lights. Space running cloud. Riding into the night. 'Cause you're working so hard, but this is a cue. Just for tonight, I'll take care of you. Leave all this gravity behind. Chase after comets and jump on the trails. Get a small taste from the Milky Way. And then we go back to the star. We gonna head to planet Earth, landing from space right into a bed. So